Expecto Patronum!
Tonight we are staying in the Harry Potter themed night bus B&B. So come along as we show you a tour of this night bus and as we visit the most gothic city in Europe. So come along on this magical experience. Wait, what? It's a night bus?
Welcome to the night bus.
Yeah, what's up? Welcome to the night bus.
The night bus is located just 15 minutes south of Calais.
In France, and this place is awesome.
The attention to detail and the overall theming here is absolutely amazing.
And let us know how many Harry Potter Easter eggs you see in this tour.
Guys, why the long faces?
So this is a real life actual double-decker bus. It's still got all the actual gears and everything to do with a bus. Yep.
Bells and whistles.
Obviously it doesn't work anymore, as you can see. So you've got the conductor's cap here. See, you've got even the night bus badge on there.
Over here we've got the kitchen. Oh no.
Oh, let me just grab that.
So here we've got the kitchen. So we've got a coffee machine, microwave and a kettle. And we did also have popcorn.
Yeah, to watch Harry Potter.
Yeah.
You can see him, but of course there's not as many pumpkins as there is in the Great Hall.
There's a lot of pumpkins
Yeah.
in the Great Hall.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10,
11,
12,
13,
14,
15,
16,
17,
18.
19.
And then we've got, obviously, all the Harry Potter themed merchandise. So we've got all the mugs. Then we've got a dragon in there. Then we've got a secret little compartment in here. Dun dun dun.
Ooh.
She's got a Dementor, Time Turner, and also Draco drew for Harry Potter of him getting electrocuted during a Quidditch match. And then we've got the Deathly Hallows with 3 of the swords. Not
They're weird looking swords.
with 3 of the wands, one of which is my microphone, obviously.
Can I speak into it? Heyo, 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 heyo. Yeah, it definitely works.
And then we've got some suitcases, very nice theming.
Well, we've got Harry Potter's suitcase here,
No,
a
but
massive
wait,
one.
you missed
What?
out.
What?
We've got a broom.
Oh, we've got a broom, so we can
And then
fly.
We've got the Nimbus 2000.
Oh, yes.
Kind of the best.
Yep, that does definitely look good quality, that one. But yep, we've got
And then, yeah, we've got Harry Potter's suitcase.
HP. Look, it's a massive one. You can put it out. Look how big that is.
Gigantic. You could fit in there.
Yeah. Maybe Dobby's in there.
Maybe. We've got even some cloaks
Yeah.
and school uniform.
Yep, we've got a well uniform.
And then we've got the snake. And then we've got some seating area. And we've got our nice little picnic basket that we had our breakfast from.
It only actually look like the sorting hat, bit, doesn't it?
A little bit.
Gryffindor.
So at night on the so at night on the night bus, obviously it gets dark, and if you need light, you can just press the light switch and say Lumos.
You turned them off.
Lumos. And have a little froggy as a friend. Chocolate frog.
Oh, hello. So we're in the lounge now. I'm kind of stuck. I think this seating area here is mainly for infants. So let me get off here. You see, you've got the night bus plushie here. But we've got
Hufflepuff, Slytherin, Gryffindor, Ravenclaw.
a night bus. Beep beep. So got the Hogwarts cushion over there. While I was reading my little night bus notebook here with all different, obviously, people who stayed here in the night bus. And obviously, you can see all the other visitors here who've been in this lovely night bus. And where's our one? That's our one. Oh yeah, we've got to finish it off.
Add some more writing into there, but Charlie's incredible drawing.
Looks 3D. Sign it.
Well done.
Harry. A nice quill as well, golden quill. And we've got the Ardres map here so we can find our way through Hogwarts and
See who's lurking.
yeah. Can you see anyone? I think it's a bit too early to see anyone yet.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we've got the Lost Wands department.
Oh yeah, let's go find that.
But we're only got to take this sorting hat off because it's not. I think this one is obviously for children as it is a school, so I'll pop that there for now. But let's go upstairs. So let's go upstairs. So we're now upstairs, and the first thing you see is another night bus money box. But don't worry, there's
No money in it.
now. I haven't got any Gringotts coins. So, here's our bed. It was a very comfy bed last night, and it is warm in here. You wouldn't think it is, but of course it's heated in here. And let's go down here. Got more beds because obviously it's a night bus. People's got to sleep in here, same as us. Got the lovely chandelier of the night bus. And of course, with public transport, they do advertisements, so you might see along the side some marketing advertisement.
Forget the beer, taste the butterscotch. Nothing underground.
Got more suitcases, got some owls, and I'm pretty sure this one, comment down below if you know, I think this is out of Fantastic Beasts because there's a Malata suitcase.
I think it is also in Harry Potter.
You sure? I don't know. Is it alive?
Ah!
It's sleeping.
And we got some Harry Potter themed games down here. So we've got Uno, Double, some I don't know,
Guess Who.
Smileo, Guess Who,
Checkers.
Divine Tet, and Checkers.
Which way? How weird is that?
Wizard. Oh, tree. Then we got
Literally,
potion.
just,
It's funny, isn't it?
yeah, how we're staying in a magical bus and today's spanogram, is it spanogram?
This is Strands.
Strands is about wizards. But now let's look at the outhouse where we go for the toilet and washing up. This looks familiar.
Oh yeah.
Now it's time for Professor Umbridge's room.
My new myrtle.
Maybe you might not fit. There you go. We're seeing her in trials at the Ministry of Magic. Now, I am her. But I've got to sit in the chair. Do I look like that?
Exactly the
I
same.
love cats.
So here we've got the Black Family tree.
It's not on fire.
Serious?
Oh, can you see it? Can you see Sirius?
And then we've got
Yeah.
Diagon Alley.
Famous Diagon Alley.
Go down in there. And we've got the ever so famous bedroom monthly stairs.
Dobby's got a sock.
Dobby's a free elf.
Master has given Dobby a sock.
We've got Morida's map.
Yeah, that's quite cool wallpaper though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really cool. Now it's time to head back to the bus to head to our next destination. So at first we were wondering why there was a cinema frame here. We thought it was for my granddad, but we watched the movie later on and figured out it's actually for the granny in the movie. There's so much detail in this bus, it's amazing. There's so many Easter eggs and references.
Take it away, Ernie.
Yeah, take it away, Ernie.
Next stop, Diagon Alley.
Hey, what's up? Welcome to the night, boss.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, you want to talk?
Yeah?
Hey, what's up? Oh, yeah. You say hello, nice.
Hello.
I said hello to the doctor, and she does like, she just looked at me like I was a ghost or something like that.
Hello.
So rude.
Better?
Yeah. Hey, what's your name, sir?
Charlie.
Charlie. Nice to meet
Nice to meet you.
Charlie. Yeah.
Yeah,
Charlie, where you from?
London.
London?
Yeah.
Oh, you're from here?
Yeah.
Nice. And what you doing out here in London, Charlie?
Just enjoying the British weather, the rain and that.
Yeah. Typical day in London right now. Yeah. Where are you guys? I mean, where are you headed?
We're gonna probably check out Diagon Alley.
Oh, yeah. All right, man. Well, I hope you, Charlie, have a great day, man.
Thank you. Yeah.
All right. Bye, Charlie.
Bye.
See you later.
Try it. Nice. Yeah. Better than normal butterbeer. Good.
Tastes like the frozen version.
Yeah. Harry Potter.
After a day in Diagon Alley in Hogsmeade, it was time to head back to our own night bus for the night.
So this afternoon we're in one of the most gothic cities in Europe, Bruges. So we're gonna go to the Witchcraft Museum and the Torture Museum. So let's go. Ooh. Spooky.
Funnily enough, last month I was in South Africa and one of my relatives' gardeners was very ill, so he went to a witch doctor, who placed a chicken on his head to draw the illness up from his body into the chicken, then they killed the chicken. And apparently he recovered afterwards.
If you want to see more of our Halloween adventure in Bruges, subscribe so you know when the video will be out. If you want to stay here, the link to the website is in the description below. Also, they have some other Harry Potter themed stays here. So that means soon we will have to stay again. We are truly blown away from this place. There is so much detail here. The theming is really, really good. It's up to Universal Studios standards. And thank you for the resort for giving us the opportunity to film here and to give us a stay. So yeah, thank you so much. And
thanks for watching and happy Halloween. It's gonna be a bumpy ride.